What's up guys, TA Gary Productions here, and I am playing Murder Mystery with Morgan, and I am an innocent. What are you, Are you an innocent? You're an innocent. Good, I'm an innocent. Here's proof. I'm spamming 2, because that's the only one I can spam, because for some reason, my number 1 is 2, and here's my emote. The max coins you collect is 10. Oh, follow me, and you'll see. Follow, 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 follow. This wall has been smashed down. Follow me, and you'll see. Follow, follow. Oh, still locked. Follow, 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 follow. I bet we'll see a ton of dead bodies around this room. Dun, 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 dun. I'm in the shower. I'm taking a little shower, you know. Have a shower. Are you dead? When you die, just when you're dead, you go, oh, I found the sheriff, I'm with the sheriff. When you die, just don't say anything. Just go, when you're dead, just don't make a sound. Oh, you can go in the sink. I'm in the sink. Yeah, I was just in the sink. Look, follow me, look. Look, follow me, look. See. No, oh no, he's lost me. Oh no, Morgan's dead. No, he's dead. Oh, he's dead. Bags. Spectate me. You're dead. Spectate me. See? I know who it is. Look, it's your dead body. Look, it's your dead body. Yeah. No, my bag's full. That's. I know. This is the sheriff. I'm with the sheriff, so he'll protect.
He's got blue hair. I'm spectating him. He's really slow.
Where is he?
He's got a default mouth. I'm just giving you a heads up. His name is Ian Yako.
Oh, did he die? Or did we run out of time?
For sure.
Okay, guys, that was round 1 of Murder Mystery. I don't know what happened there. I think he died, or I think he got shot. He got shot. Yes, we won. Let's party. Let's party.
Yeah. This guy right here.
Is he the murderer? I'm the murderer. I know. I'm the murderer. You never knew it, but I was the murderer. It was actually me the whole time. It was me. It was me. I'm dead. Also, make a sound effect. I'm gonna make a sound effect. Make a sound effect when you die. Okay. And then the innocent. Are you actually sheriff?
Yeah, I'm actually sheriff.
I'm
the. Don't look for me. I'll pull out my gun.
I am actually looking for you. What floor are you on? Oh, there you are. Yeah, pull out your gun. Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me, officer! Don't shoot me! I might have stole the candy. I stole the candy.
Stole candy?
Yes, I stole. No, but I'm a YouTuber. Look it. No, just leave Sir Raw. Please, Sir Raw and me have been through a lot together. Shoot her! Shoot! Sorry.
I killed him.
Did you kill her? Did you kill her?
Yeah.
I've just seen her. Yes! She killed me. She threw a knife at me, and then you shot her. That's copyrighted from Dennis. Dennis, don't worry. Don't worry, Dennis. I'm not copyrighting you, don't worry. Oh, buy a lab. No, house two, boys. House two. Morgan, vote. That's why I'm turning it off now. Because it was. Thank you for pointing out. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because guess what? I'm going to be the murderer.
Maybe not.
I don't think I'm. And I'm the innocent again. Innocent. I'm standing on a barbecue.
Where are you?
I'm outside standing on a barbecue.
Okay, I'm looking for you.
We have someone English in the game. Lol. I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden. There's colouring out here. Look. What was that? A knife.
No,
No.
it wasn't.
Stay away from me. Stay away. You're the murderer. He's the murderer. Dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I've been killed. Oh, I've glitched. No, I've glitched. Oh no. I know. I knew it was you because I knew you were acting suspicious. Morgan, go back. Morgan, go back. Morgan, go back into the basement. I'll direct you. Go back into the basement. Go back into the basement. Go. No, go into the basement. There's someone in the basement. There's someone in the basement. There's someone in the basement. Morgan, there's someone in the basement just standing there. Oh, he's on the move. He's on the move. Where's he off to? Morgan. There he is. Okay. Oh, how do I explain where this is? Well, come out the basement. Turn into the hall. Go down the hall. Morgan, listen, I'm directing you. Go down the hall. Down the hall. Down there. Yeah, down there. Go in there. Go in there. She should be. No, it's the wrong one. Out. Go out. Get away from Hot Rod's car. From Transformers. There. Good one.
Thank you.
Okay, so okay, so the other one. Oh my God, where is that? Yeah, there's only one person left. I can't direct them. Right, go in there. Go in, down that hall. No, I don't know where. How do I explain where this guy is? It's hard. It's like in the sitting room, but he's not. He's not in the basement. Right. Go.
I see a dead body.
Yeah, that's my dead body. Forward. Go forward. No, don't go outside. He's not outside. Go into there, that area there. No, not the other area. It's so hard when you're dead. You can, gosh, I don't even know where he is. Turn in there. He could be in there. I know you've killed the sheriff, but where the hell is this guy?
Where is he?
I don't know. Where is he? Where's the
I don't know.
people in the comments? Tell me, where is this guy? I have no idea where he is. He's hidden very well. I don't know where he was. Where was he? I have no idea where he was. That guy there, I don't know where he was hiding. I just kept on seeing him. But you, no, the innocent one because you didn't kill the last person. No, if you kill all the innocents and the sheriff, you win. Yeah, you did well. And I never. Office 3, we've only got 4 votes and now we're going to Mexico. No. I am going to say this from a movie called Growing Ups. Daddy, where's it taking the moths? Hell, don't say that word, Marcus. Oh, okay, Mexico. Can I just stop being innocent? Can I stop being... I want to stop being innocent. I want to stop being innocent. Stop being it. I have like 50% chance and I'm not getting it. Do you know Tommy? You know Tommy? Yeah. Tommy waited an hour, he got on 100%, and an hour later he finally was the murderer. So it took him 2 hours to become the murderer. Okay, hi Morgan. Hello, you the sheriff? Oh look, Morgan.
It's raining.
Morgan.
See the Queen.
Morgan, can you see that man?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll not disturb him. We shall not disturb him, Morgan. We shall kill ourselves if we see that again. What's a man's
I
bum?
won't. Look for it.
Oh, you're in the vents. Where? Oh. Which way did you go?
I've seen it. I'm looking at him again. I'm looking at him again.
Well, I have no idea where I am, but I think I found a murderer. Cause she could look like the murderer. Jeez. What? I think I saw the murderer. It's already murderer. Ah!
What do they look like?
I don't know, but I'm not sure. But she just like whipped out a gun or a knife, and she ripped out a gun or a knife. But I don't know. See you? Are you the murderer? Are you AFK? You think you could be the murderer? Wow. Okay. She could be the murderer. Yeah, he is. I'm on agree with you. She could be the murderer. Oh, the two people are in the lift. No one's died yet, have they?
I don't think so.
Oh my god, no one's dead. I wish I could spectate, but I'm not dead. Who's the murderer? Okay. Oh wow, sunglasses do. Wait, are you the sheriff? I found the sheriff. I found the sheriff. I found the sheriff. Hey dude, you're the sheriff. It's he's with me. He's with me, the sheriff is. We're in the is that broken down toilet? Yeah, I will. Oh, we were just in the men's toilets. There, follow me, follow me. There he is. No, this is the sheriff. This is the sheriff. Wait, that's this.
I see you.
Stop watching him, you ungrateful person. You naughty boy. You're the sheriff. You sheriff, so we can. Oh God. What's a green shot? What's that? Oh, was he shot? Yes. No. No. Oh my God. I was actually. I'm gonna go. Yeah, he had a smoothie. He had a smoothie. I'm gonna go. He had a smoothie. Oh, he had a smoothie. Look what I typed in the chat. Why me? Well, that's all for this video, guys. And as always, have a good day.